I was sent this handheld pool vacuum from VEVOR and asked you my opinion on it. Make this short video. So let's check it out. I got to tell you, when I ordered this and talking to them, I was surprised to see the size of the box that it came in. It's quite small because it breaks down into a lot of individual pieces here. And let's put it together and we'll check out how it works in the pool. So I've got it all assembled. You're going to get a couple sets of different brushes that you can use on the end, a small one, a wider one that are straight. And you're going to have a connecting point here. These are going to slide into this like this here. And then this is going to go connect onto the end of the vacuum. So you got choices there. You got a charging cable that they provide you to charge up the battery. And, you know, it came in such a small box because it's very adjustable. All these different lengths, depending on what size pool you're dealing with, you can go very deep because you've got, boy, it connects all the way out. 4 of these different lengths here are included, plus the body, which has the power button, and the battery is inside here. And here's a charging port for that battery on the device. And then here's the vacuum filter. So it's going to clean through. I've got the triangle head on there. You can just take this off real easily here like this and slide on the other head if you wanted to. I'm going to use the triangle one for this time. And then we're going to be able to just clean the bottom of my spa, which my pool cleaner machine doesn't reach. So this will be great for that. And it's going to collect all that debris in here. So let's go check it out, see how it works. Okay, so we're going to clean this little spa area out here. We get some bugs in there in the bottom. With this nice clear container, we'll be able to see that we're cleaning them up. I'm going to press and hold the button here to turn it on. You can just start to hear that start to hum. And we're ready to go. And now the pump's taking a prime and it's starting to really move some water through the little motor. And it'll catch anything into that screened in area. I like this head here that has this triangle to it. You can get in the corners and stuff with it real nice. And right along the edges where you really have the most things collect. This corner here is another problem area for me, where a lot of leaves will collect. That corner there, I always get a lot in that corner. You can see it drawing all of the leaves out. All right, so now to clean it out, just gonna you got some tabs here on the front, just gonna squeeze those in a little bit, and then this whole center part's gonna come out. And this is your screen, your filter. And let's show you everything that it picked up. I just used it for a couple minutes. And I picked up a bunch of stuff. So we got a lot of dirt and rocks, some leaves, a couple dead scorpions, all kinds of bugs, a little bit of broken glass because we had a tile break and it broke some pieces of glass and a bunch of other little bugs. So very easy to clean this out. You just take it and spray through. You can see all that grime will go away. And that's it. That's the main collection bin. Clean off the end here. Charge it up and we're ready to go for another day. But yeah, overall, I'm real pleased with it. I think it's a great device. So portable and handy. If you've got a small spa or somewhere that your robot cleaner doesn't go, then you might want to get one of these because it's going to make your job a lot easier to vacuum up those quick little spots that just need a really small device to get in there and do it fast. Hope that helps. Have a great day.